I brought a smaller group of students in December here, and they were able to have a bit of a workshop and insight into what you do and the whole world of sort of healthcare. It was a bit hands-on. They loved it. There was a group of, I think it was 6-7 young ladies, loved it, went back to school buzzing about it, so much so they've come back here and they've recommended it to their friends and they brought them back. So it gave them a good insight into the world of healthcare, and you know, some of the myths as well around it, you know, and there was a bit of myth busting, which was really good. They had some hands-on. They were able to try on sort of the latex gloves and some other bits of the equipment they were able to use, so they had a great day.